Just really like
Oh,
it.
yeah.
I really like the aesthetics. Like,
Oh, I do think the first one. Do your thing.
It's like recording my stress right now.
And then you think back at it and you be like,
Good choice that I never did it.
어떠니요?
Bangkok.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fresh.
Yes.
Cheers.
Fine. Oh, if you sit down here, it looks so nice.
Guardi, chiaro, sei pianificato lì.
That's such a cute alley. Oh, it is.
It's so cute. There's a cactus.
Wow.
That is funny.
I'll check the instructions again.
Yeah.
Trying to open our door. Teamwork. Oh. Ah. Show me your crib.
Okay, we need this.
Oh, it is.
Oh, it is.
Lights.
Cute.
Wow.
So cute.
Yay!
So cute. Should we wear our shoes inside the thingy?
Really not.
Yeah.
Moving in. Yay!
We didn't have our points.
This is our second Airbnb. Still is exploring our Airbnb. We arrived in such good weather, guys. Like, look at how sunny it is. Look at how sunny it is. It's so gorgeous. Wearing my
Yay!
So you know how like somebody just like some shots? Then
Yeah.
that couple was there. The people come with us.
Hello. Right now taking photos around the alleys. We're gonna get some nice photos
Yes.
while it's sunny. So pretty.
Work it! Work it! Oh wait, that was really nice. Oh wait, that's so good. Okay, look at the camera. Oh!
We're venturing out now to explore the neighborhood. Yay! Head down the street spontaneously without any plans.
Ready to go.
Let's go!
Oh, it's pretty too.
Yeah, we should go to the beach before it gets colder. Yes. Autumn is here, but why is autumn so beautiful here in France?
We're now gonna walk to the beach. The beach. Where are we going?
We are going to the beach.
Oh.
Oh my god. An even prettier view.
Oh, flatter. Go! Yay! Priscilla, the tour guide.
Yeah, right here.
Okay, flipping.
The house.
What house? Oh, this house. Well, this is so pretty actually. One thing we've discovered is that there is never any walking paths, so we're just walking on the road.
Waiting to get hit.
We made it! Wow.
Yellow house.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
the pink one too. Oh my goodness, I love
Right, shall we cross when we can? Yes. Okay. Now. The water is so clear. Bro.
I wanna go down.
Yeah, let's.
Look at the water.
High five.
So small.
Okay. Kind locals telling us where it is. The entrance. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Sea or the mountain?
La mer. Sea. For sure. Because mountains have loads of life.
I really like mountains too, those with like flowers and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's not supposed to read.
We have a look up there first? Or is that just a car park?
Yeah, we have nothing.
Yeah. Since we're here.
So pretty. So everyone's like here, so this is where we're gonna go and sit. We've settled here. Oh, she looks like a mermaid. You look like a mermaid.
No, I'd rather not hold hands, otherwise we can fall together.
Wow, water feels so nice. Wow, those guys today too.
As for you.
Pasta for breakfast, or well, brunch. It's 11 a.m.
Should last us for quite a long time.
Yeah, we don't need much food to survive. It's day 4 in Marseille.
Yeah.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a bed.
So we are planning to explore the rest of Marseille today. We're gonna go to Notre Dame first. It's like a 25-minute walk from where we're staying, which is pretty good. And that means we'll be able to see some nice sights as well. So let's just locking the door. Ta-da! Hello! Italian tiramisu. Me too, I love tiramisu.
Yeah. Did you sleep well? I slept really well.
Really?
Considering I didn't sleep for very long with training. Like when I woke up, I was like, that was a good sleep. We visited and traveled so much.
Yay!
We've seen so much pretty stuff.
Stella's trying to delete her storage right now because the storage is full from 3 days of France.
Yeah. 11 days.
Yeah, it's just picturesque. So nice.
And like all the seeds when they like fall like that, and then the berries inside, it's literally like those wedding decorations.
So true.
Like
Autumn,
Chinese ones, but then the berries are red.
autumn is so pretty.
Yeah.
Things that you do. I'm always second guessing what could be your next move. Yeah, I'm just trying to see it from your point of view. Never told you that I need you 'cause I
so
thought
pretty.
that you knew.
Nectarines.
Remember in primary we would like get stuff like this and then like big fruit.
Yeah, we would. 煮飯仔。
If that's what you want, oh, I don't mind. If all that you say is not true, I don't mind.
So we have to walk up all these stairs, but it will be worth it.
Is it? Would you say that's your favorite hobby now?
Probably, yeah.
Oh.
Kind of expensive though in Newcastle. My favorite expensive hobby right now is travel.
Yes,
Luxury.
me too.
Luxury.
Me too. We're at the Notre Dame, and I just realized that I've been here like 6 years ago, and I didn't realize. So when we got to about the entrance, like I looked up and I was like, wait, I was there. I have photos of myself like literally here. So I went on like a cruise called Harmony of the Seas in 2016, and then like the cruise stopped here, and then so I came here with my friends. But like it looks so different now that I'm here. Like when I was last year, I was 15. And then now I'm 21. And everything's changed. I know, right? For the best, everything. Yay!
In a cafe. We're gonna try a
Eclair au café. Eclair au café. Or coffee eclair, eclair. It is so warm today. Cheers! Yeah!
It's like more soft than like crispy.
Mmm! It's so good.
Yeah, it's just like tiramisu.
And it's not too sweet either. Because I thought if there'd be so much cream, it'd be really sweet.
Oh, the cream is so good.
It's really good. Come here.
Yep, this way.
We met some really nice people before who helped us take photos, and then like we had like a really nice long chat.
They were from California.
Yeah. Maybe they're on like a retirement trip.
Maybe.
Yeah. Didn't ask that.
You can tell which one was his wife and which one was his friend.
Yeah. There's like 2 women and then one man. French traffic kind of insane though. Yeah, like even at a zebra crossing, they don't stop. I feel like I'm gonna die every time I cross the road. 21 degrees. Never mind. We think this is the court, but we're not sure. And we shop again.
No self-control.
Oh, the colors are nice.
Lychee and apricot.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Woo!
I don't know how you can cross safely.
I'm gonna go sit down and eat ice cream.
Yeah! Wow, this is so cute. And then our view.
Oh, it's melting.
Our view. Look at our view. No.
We sat down. Hi.
Hello, lychee one.
Cheers.
Oh, it actually tastes like lychee. The lychee one's
It's like proper good flavor.
It's so refreshing.
It's like real and it's like not artificial.
We weren't that sure because the lychee one was so full. Like not many people got lychee. It's so tasty.
Ooh, I like apricot. It's a little bit more sour.
Really sour.
Yeah.
Is that good?
It's exactly as 2 o'clock.
And there's a Ferris wheel. And there's Madame Priscilla.
Hi.
Hi. But if it was raining,
Yeah.
then not so much.
Definitely.
Got rings. Show your ring. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Ah.
Oh, look at that.
Oh wow.
So pretty.
So pretty.
Wow. Wow.
Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Ta-da! Tickets to see a castle, right?
Yeah.
Castle and something.
I think so.
Boarding the boat. On the boat. Beautiful.
We reached a different part of Marseille.
Well, this is so cool. artistic through the whole time.
We are in a very cute street.
It's so cute. It's so pretty here.
Wow, such nice confetti like here.
Yeah, oh my gosh. It reminds me of child drawings. Yeah! I watched this anime called Mermaid Melody and then I drew it just like that.
Ruthless and
Hello, Dogo.
you might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny.
What a lovely sunset.
It's currently 6:42 p.m. and we're heading off for our dinner reservation. Yeah! Because there's candle.
The candlelit sky.
Yes. A nice sunset. Doesn't show up that well on camera, but it's very pretty.
It's like candy floss. So nice. We had a nice day.
Yeah, it was
Guys.
so relaxing. We got so many photos.
And saw so many different
parts of my face.
Yeah.
There's different vibes as well, right?
But also the art
Mm.
in Panya.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so pretty.
So pretty.
And then in Notre Dame.
And it's so unique.
yeah. The bull ride was nice.
It's definitely worth a visit.
Turn to see all your beauty and
Such a gorgeous sunset.
so instead of sing this
People are just sitting here vibing. We walked across the whole thing. And now we are at the restaurant we were meant to go to yesterday. We actually made a booking today. Karen!
you always keep a figment of my mind.
It's sort of like